What is up, y'all? It's Deej with Deej Fishes. I normally don't do my intros before we're on the water, but we are just absolutely stoked for today. We're going to Parker Strip on the Colorado River, chasing smallmouth. They're supposed to be blasting anything you throw at them right now. So we got the tracker in tow right behind me. We just gassed her up. My dad's inside getting some water. I hope we can bring you guys a good one today, because from what I hear, we're about to catch like 60, 70 smallmouth and hopefully break my PB. My PB smallmouth is 2.88 pounds. Caught at Roosevelt Lake, actually. So I'm excited to try to break that, hopefully catch a 4-pounder today, and hopefully catch a bunch of fish. Thank you guys for coming along, and let's go fishing. Wow.
Oh yeah! That ain't no little one.
You nut?
I don't think so, but damn, it's just...
Pulling them against the current.
Yeah,
too.
that's what I was gonna say. I don't think this is a largemouth. Oh, this is a big fish. It's a small one.
Alright, that's metal.
Damn. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, dude.
Orange for the win, baby. Thank you, sir.
That's a great smallie. That's a great smallie, dude.
Yeah, buddy. Look at that.
Dude, that's like a 3.5 pound smallie.
Oh yeah, he's heavy. Like real heavy.
You gotta weigh him. That's gotta be.
Oh, I'm
his
gonna.
PB.
It'll be my PB for sure. Oh, for sure. Let's see what we got.
I'm calling 3.6.
On my low budget scale. Get the power on. Okay, calm down, sucker. Ooh.
3.82. Damn.
Nice. This dude's been eating. Turn off the lights now. All right. Thank you for your patronage. It's all in the belly.
All right, y'all.
I'm gonna have to run this right along the edge.
Pop's already caught 4 on the crank, so here I am. Here I am following suit. And I think they'll come up for it, you know, from pretty far, man. We were catching fish at Pleasant. Is this a fish?
First cast.
First cast.
All right,
with the crank,
that's all I
dude.
had to see. I ain't even wasting no damn time. I'm going right back to the old.
Well, it's not a 3.8 like Pop's just caught, but man, you can't be mad at these little smallies. That's fish number 5.
In the boat.
We've been here for about 5 minutes.
All these smaller rocks. Oh, I'm on.
Beautiful fish, guys. Let's go ahead and double up with my dad.
Come on up here and take a picture with me, baby boy.
Oh, come on. Sounds like a decent one.
It's a smallie fest up in here.
Oh yeah, dude. The markings on the graph are stupid.
Yeah.
Bass over there.
Why?
That's
Oh, the
where
weigh-in.
the weigh-in is.
Not like you can't go.
Yeah, I think we could easily go. Especially since we're parked in the middle now.
Mm-hmm. There's one.
What's a largie? On the chatter donkey. Man, they're pretty in this clear water.
Holy crap.
Okay. Fish number 2 for me, guys. A little largie. On the chatterbait. See if he's got a friend back there.
Yep. Ooh, a nice little largie. Like a 2.5 pounder. Nice one.
When I tell you guys, they love a sleeper craw.
Gets it done again.
That's how they eat it, dude. They choke this thing.
They choke it for DJ, no one else.
Yeah, just for me. That's fish number 4 for me. It's a slower day than anticipated out here, but we still got time.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I'll take them. Better than my last 3. He's right on the side of those reeds. You guys missed that one, but Skip Senko's under the dock. Little largie. That's fish number 7 for me? 6? 6.
Crap. Got this nice 4 pounder off crankbait. DT10.
Dad's catching all the fish today, man. We got 3.8 smallmouth, a 4-pound largemouth.
I gotta get a picture of this bad boy. Oh, my yak is still in the water.
I forgot about that. So you said that.
There's one. Hey, little fella.
It's about the caliber I'm getting today.
We'll count.
Its belly's all dirty like a smallie.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're going flipping to end the day. The sun is high,
Going flipping.
and hopefully these fish are tucked in this cover. You gotta be shitting me, the GoPro wasn't recording. Well, we've caught enough fish to make a video today, but I'm pretty sure I missed every fish catch. Just caught one flipping. Man, that was awesome. This little guy.
He's like a little football. It's like as soon as you lift it up, he was just on.
He was, yeah. Whew, that's a fun bite, man. That is a fun bite.
I'm gonna try to pop my flipping cherry today.
Yeah, that's what we need to do.
The lake stays at the lake.
2.5.
Daddy got his first flipping fish.
And of course we missed it on camera. I just turned the camera off.
I snatched this boy out of there like he stole my lunch money. Thank you for the experience, mister. I'll go home. Dude, that was freaking fun.
If you're still watching all the way to the end, thank you very much for still being here. We missed a lot of fish catches this day on camera. Recently, I've bought some battery packs to extend the life of my camera battery so I don't run into this issue. But we had a blast. We didn't catch 60 or 70 like we expected, but we did catch about 20 fish. Caught my dad's first flipping fish, his PB smallie. So overall, it was still a great day. Parker's a really good time. This is Deej with Deej Fishes, and we'll see you on the next one.